Come take a look at this 2000 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This Silverado 1500 has just under 251,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning and driver airbag. Call 866-655-8722 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.